This is Kling 3.0, and this whole clip came from one sentence. Coming up, the exact workflow, the settings that matter, and prompts you can steal. First, the basic workflow. Describe your shot. One sentence is enough. Pick Kling 3.0 from the model list. Hit Create. We'll fast forward the wait. And that's the clip you saw at the top, straight from one sentence. Now the good stuff, the settings. The model chip lists every option. Switch models per shot, no extra subscriptions. Aspect ratio, wide for YouTube, portrait for shorts and reels. Length, shorter clips generate faster. Stuck? Suggest writes a prompt for you. Now a totally different style of prompt. Watch the range. Same 3 clicks, wildly different shot. Tip 1. Kling nails physics. Water, hair, fabric. Lean into motion. Tip 2. Say tracking shot or follow for dynamic camera moves. Tip 3. For characters, generate a still image first, then animate it. Kling 3.0 plus every other top video model. One $20 plan at Writingmate.ai. Link below.